In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to install and activate the Truecaller app on Android. It's quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store, then search for Truecaller. Now tap on the official app and install it. Once installed, open the Truecaller app. On the welcome screen, you can change the app's language. Just tap on change language option and select your preferred language. Then tap Get Started. When prompted to set Truecaller as your default caller ID and spam app, you can cancel or allow as needed. Next, you will be asked to grant permission, allow access to contact, phone calls, call log, SMS, and notification. These permissions help Truecaller detect and block spam effectively. Now sign in with your Google account or continue manually. Then choose your country and enter your phone number. Then tap Verify my number. Truecaller may verify WhatsApp message. Just tap Continue. Then tap the shared link to confirm. Now enter your name and email. Then tap Continue. And that's it. You have successfully installed and activated the Truecaller app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.